Good morning guys! So for today's video, pupuntahan natin yung one of the most saleable condominium here in Metro South, which is yung Zadia Condominium. And just to give you an idea, no, papakita namin sa inyo yung one of the access going to Zadia. So para may idea naman kayo. If you're coming from South Luzon Expressway, no, iti-take nyo lang itong Santa Rosa exit, especially kung galing kayo ng Manila. So, pagbungad pa lang is makikita nyo dito sa right side natin is yung Coca-Cola Company, no, which is located here sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. And across naman doon, of course, na andito rin yung ating Toyota na distributor. So, talagang dito naman sa area, masasabi ko talagang it's developed na talaga ang Santa Rosa, Laguna when it comes sa mga commercial establishment at madami pang iba. So, madadaanan naman natin dito yung iba pang establishment like mga available banks within the area. So, kaliwat kanan na din talaga siya. Yan. So, guys, drive lang din tayo and papakita namin sa inyo yung mga establishment na madadaanan namin here. So, dito sa right side natin, no, makikita nyo meron na dyang BDO, Security Bank. So, meron talaga mga available banks within the area. So, after din niya, makikita nyo rin meron din tayo ng Isuzu, no, yung pinaka-distributor din here in the area. And of course, sa tapat ng Isuzu, meron din tayo dito ng GAC Motor. So, mapapansin nyo, medyo madaming intersection here in Santa Rosa, Laguna kasi isa to sa pinaka-busy na city here sa Laguna. So, kanina guys, sa daanan natin yung Toyota distributor, no? So, dito naman sa right side natin, makikita nyo naman yung pinaka-Toyota company kung saan ina-assemble nila yung kanilang mga sasakyan. Across Toyota, we also have the HMR na tinatawag yung parang mga resale or second-hand products coming from Australia, no? So, it really offer din ng mga quality products or quality items talaga coming from Australia. So, after naman nung Toyota, madadaanan natin yung DHL, yung bagong tayo lang dito na pinaka-warehouse nila. And sa tapat naman noon, we have this El Cielito na hotel which is matagal nang existing dito sa atin. And ang kagandahan pa, no, good news na rin guys kasi nagkaroon na dito ng data center. So imagine we have a data center here in Santa Rosa, Laguna talagang located. So kaya sinasabi nila that Santa Rosa really has a growing future development in the area. So diretso lang tayo guys, drive lang tayo ng konti bago natin marating yung Zadia. So, after natin madaanan yung data center, no, makikita nyo, meron tayong Wilcon Depot, Home Depot dito na kaliwat kanan talaga. So, when it comes sa pagpapaayos naman ng house natin or construction ng ating house, no, hindi ka din mahihirapan kasi sinasabi nga namin that everything is really within your reach. So, it will be very accessible sa inyo if you're planning na magpakonstruct ng property within the area. So, dito guys, no, nasa intersection lang tayo and sa left and right natin, nandito yung Laguna Bel Air. So, ito yung unang residential development here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. So, medyo matagal na siya and established na talaga siya. Meron na rin siyang gasoline station sa pinakalabas niya. And of course, we also have McDonald's here in the area. So, kasi matagal na rin naman ito. So, Laguna Bel Air has 3 Ps. No? It has a 1, 2, and 3. So, malaking residential development talaga siya here in Metro Santa Rosa. So, after Laguna Bel Air, no, madadaanan naman natin dito yung magkakatabi na car dealership sa area. So, makikita nyo dyan sa ating right side, nandyan din yung Mitsubishi, Foton, Suzuki, at madami pang iba. So, talagang magkakatabi sila dyan. So, napakadami talagang car dealership here. Hindi mo na rin kailangan pumunta in Alabang or in Manila para lang mag-check ng available vehicle para sa'yo. So, diretsuhin lang natin to guys. We are actually passing by the Greenfield City, no? So, kasi we are taking yung pinaka parang service road niya or yung highway dito, which is the Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road. So, hindi tayo papasok doon sa pinaka Greenfield City as of now kasi ipapakita namin sa inyo yung Paseo Outlet Mall na kung gaano ba siya kalapit going to Zadia Condominium. So, sa right side natin, madadaanan din natin yung Panasonic na company which is located here. So, pag nag-right side ka lang dyan after Panasonic, no, yun na yung way going to Laguna Techno Park. Isa yun sa largest techno park here in Santa Rosa, Laguna, which is also connected going to Binyan or yung Mamplaza natin tinatawag. So, Mamplaza Deep, it's connected to sa Laguna Techno Park. So, dalawang city nagko-combine doon. So, ganun siya kalaki. So, mostly no, of our renters talaga is those mga expat or yung mga head ng company that is located in Laguna Techno Park. So, sila yung mga nag-rent in Zadia Condominium kasi when it comes to accessibility, it's very accessible talaga. So, dito naman sa aming left side, nandito yung Laguna Central, kung saan located naman yung pinaka-showroom ni Greenfield City, especially yung Zadia Condominium. So, if you're planning to visit here, no, at gusto nyo makita yung pinaka-showroom, no, dito lang siya located. It's also just few minutes away sa pinaka-site ng Zadia Condominium. So, after natin pass through dito sa intersection, of course, madadaanan na natin yung Paseo Outlet Mall na sinasabi natin. So, eto, nasa left side natin yung sinasabi kong Paseo Outlet Mall, no? Ito yung largest outlet mall na located here in Santa Rosa, Laguna, na nag-offer ng mga factory outlet talaga, which is talaga mas mura yung in-offer nilang price when it comes sa mga like shoes or mga something sports. So, as you can see, no, we are here pa rin sa Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road, no, at sa kaliwang side ko, nandito yung Paseo Outlet Mall that I mentioned to you earlier that it's very accessible to Zadia Condominium. It's just walking distance away. Nandito rin yung pinaka-arcade dyan, no, na matatagpuan nyo rito across Paseo Outlet Mall. So, napakadami lang ino-offer na commercial establishment here na hindi mo na talaga kailangan lumayo. When it comes to restaurant or mga yung specific needs natin, or something like kailangan natin when it comes sa pagiging sporty. Kasi alam mo naman sa atin, no, we are becoming a very, yung healthy lifestyle na ino-offer. So, ang kagandahan din dito here in Greenfield City, it's very safe na mag-jogging or mag-walk during afternoon. So, talagang may enjoy nyo yung inyong physical activities here. So, as you can see, no, we are just really few minutes away na lang going to Zadia Condominium. And once na nandun na tayo sa area, balikan ko kayo and I will share you the details kung bakit ba napakaganda mag-invest talaga here in Zadia Condominium, especially kung isa kang OFW or young professional that are planning to invest or naghahanap ng perfect investment, especially here in Metro Santa Rosa. Good morning everyone! So right now, nandito na tayo sa pinaka-actual site ni Zadia Condominium. As you can see right at my back, no, ongoing ang land development for our pre-selling na ino-offer, which is yung Tower 4. So guys, before that, Zadia Condominium is located in the heart of City of Santa Rosa, which is developed by Greenfield Development Corporation, which is also owned by the Campos, no? So Campos are also the owner of the Unilab, yung pinaka #1 over-the-counter na biogesic, just to give you an idea kung sino ba sila, no? So as you can see, no, as I mentioned to you earlier, we have this pre-selling project na ino-offer, which is Tower 4. So if you are an OFW working or living abroad, or isa kang young professional that is looking for the perfect investment, that is located here in Metro Santa Rosa, which is the one of the master plan development na ino-offer namin dito. So, as I mentioned to you, no, way back dun sa ating last video about Zadia Condominium, no, kung napanood nyo yun, at sa mga hindi pa nakapanood, no. So sa video yon, I share to you kung bakit ba napakaganda mag-invest here in Zadia Condominium. Not just about the location, no guys, but aside from the location, it's very promising future development. And when it comes din sa pag-appreciate ng value ng property nyo, it's very promising talaga, no? Kasi here in Zadia, we have this, no, every 20 units sold, nagpa-price increase. So imagine, habang nasa pre-selling stage pa lang yung ating pinaka-project, nag-i-increase na yung value ng property natin. And once you reserve the actual unit sa current price niya, no, so hindi na ito tataas pa. Kumbaga, maglalak na yung pinaka-price niya. Kaya talagang masasabi namin na it's very promising talaga when it comes to price appreciation. So, dito naman guys, no, nandito na rin yung ating Tower 2 and Tower 3. So, as you can see, no, yung pinaka-Tower 2 natin, it's already occupied, no? And of course, the Tower 1, kung saan naman ito located, nasa harap lang din ito. So, Zadia Condominium is consists of 5 buildings na ino-offer. So, as I mentioned, we are currently offering the Tower 4 that's currently on pre-selling, no? So, makikita nyo rin, of course, the Tower 3 na already constructed. Nakatayo na to, waiting na tayo sa completion nito and turnover. So, approximately, no, waiting tayo sa turnover nito this year. At nakagandahan pa dito, no, halos sold out na talaga when it comes to Tower 3. Kaya, inopen na namin ang Tower 4. So, as of now, no, ang current price na ino-offer namin for Tower 4, that pre-selling, no, you can start your investment for as low at 18,000 per month na down payment. So, ganun siya ka-flexible and it's payable up to 36 months to pay. So, ano pa ba ang magandang ino-offer, no? Dito, here in Zadia Condominium, we have this no spot down payment. So, hindi mo talaga kailangan maglabas ng malaking amount just to start your investment. And good thing, no? Kasabay ng pag-build ng ating Tower 4, of course, yung ongoing construction ng ating pinaka-amenity which is located there. Kung makikita nyo, yung merong parang pinaka-green na harang, yun yung pinaka-located na ating amenity. So, the Tower 4 have this option kung ano gusto nyo piliin na view. Ang kagandahan pa, no, we are currently on level 8. So, meron tayong mga available na merong amenity view. And also, we also have the Tagaytay view. So, you have an option here kung anong pipiliin nyo, no. Ang kagandahan naman kay Zadia, all units have a balcony. So, we are offering here a studio unit, combined unit. So, it will depend on your preference kung ano ba ang pinakapasok sa budget nyo when it comes to investment. Siyempre, ayaw naman namin nung nabibigatan kayo. Kaya we are also offering here a flexible payment term. So, ano bang meron tayo sa ating pinaka-amenity here in Zadia Condominium? So, aside from its napaka-luxurious na swimming pool, we also have a gym equipment, gazebo. We also have an open area when it comes to ating basketball na pwede natin gawin ding tennis court sa area. Yung gazebo natin and tennis and basketball court, it's already existing na talaga. So we are just waiting for this amenity, no, na talagang meron siyang ino-offer na napakagandang amenity. When it comes to mga walk path natin and jogging path, in the afternoon, pwede nyo itong i-enjoy, no? Kung saan pwede kayo mag-jogging, maglakad-lakad just to enjoy this kind of weather na very calming, nakapakahangin. Talagang meron tong Tagaytay feels pagdating sa gabi na inyo talagang ma-enjoy. So, as I mentioned to you, diba, Zadia is located in a prime location. Bakit ko ba nasabi ito? Because it's very accessible to all your needs, like the Paseo Outlet Mall na dinaanan natin kanina. That is just few minutes away, just walking distance away actually. Pwede mo siyang lakarin. Aside from that, no, meron din tayong iba pang development here in the area, which is the Ayala Land or the Nuvali Estate, which is just also a few minutes away. Nandito rin ang ating Vista Mall na ating pinaka-mall under Villard na talagang very accessible as well. Talagang here in Metro Santa Rosa, no, napakadaming master plan development. Kaya when it comes sa future development or growth ng ating investment here, it's very promising talaga. So, I'm sure guys, you are curious kung ano bang ino-offer namin, no? We are offering here a studio unit and combined unit. And later, no, ipapakita namin ito sa inyo. Pupuntahan natin yung pinaka-actual showroom so you can have an idea kung ano bang itsura ng inyong pinaka-investment here in Zadia Condominium. So right now guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Laguna Central kung saan located yung actual showroom ni Zadia. So kung naaalala nyo kanina na bago tayo pumunta sa pinaka-site ni Zadia Condominium, nadaanan natin itong Laguna Central bago tayo lumusot sa may Paseo Outlet Mall. So makikita nyo dito is just to give you an idea kasi this is a dress-up model unit ng ating studio unit. So as you can see, no, dito sa area, nandito yung ating kitchen countertop, no. This one is included upon turnover except lang dito, no, kasi unit is actually modified na. So, eto, just to give you an idea, no, kung paano nyo ba i-maximize yung pinaka-unit natin para talagang maging convenient sa atin yung paggalaw-galaw natin dito. And when it comes sa toilet and bath naman, no, dito naman ito located. Ang kagandahan naman kay Zadia Condominium, no, when it comes sa toilet and bath niya, it's very spacious, no? So, eto, nilagyan siya ng glass door para ma-avoid natin yung pag-spill ng water. At the same time, dito naman located yung ating pinaka-laundry area. So, ibang client namin, instead na may glass mirror dito, no, naglalagay sila ng hanging cabinets dito para meron pa silang mga additional storage para sa mga toiletries, sa mga laundry area, yung mga towel, pwede nating ilagay dito. So, dito naman, of course, nandito yung ating bedroom area. At ang kagandahan naman dito is naglagay na sila ng pinaka-built-in cabinet, no? Mapapansin nyo naman. Then, andito yung ating pinaka-bed. It's up to you kung anong size ng bed ang ilalagay nyo. Kaya nga, as I mentioned, this is just to give you an idea. So, dito na rin located yung pinaka-entertainment area and dining area. Pwede mo rin siyang gawing parang pinaka-office area mo, especially if you're working from home, no? So, pwede ka din maglagay dyan ng space or dito. It's up to you kung paano mo siya i-maximize para ma-enjoy mo yung living mo dito sa Zadia Condominium. So, depende naman sa iyo yan, no, kung is it for investment or for personal use. So, ang kagandahan naman din dito, no, it comes with a balcony. Kahit studio unit tayo, meron itong balcony. So, you have an option between choosing ng view. Pwede tayo mamili it's Greenfield view, Tagaytay view, or amenity view. So, as I mentioned din earlier, we are offering a pre-selling unit sa ating Tower 4 na pinakita ko din kanina na ongoing ang land development. And you can start your investment for as low as 18,000 monthly down payment. So, stretch pa yung payment natin up to 36 months, no? So, ang kagandahan pa, meron kami ditong no spot down payment na tinatawag na hindi mo na kailangan maglabas na malaking amount just to start your investment. So, silipin naman natin yung ating combined unit so you can have an idea, no, kung gaano ba ito ka-spacious. So, let's go, guys! So, eto naman yung ating combined unit na may floor area ng 49.80 square meter. So, of course, as you can see, no, when it comes sa ating kitchen countertop, parang naging dalawa na siya, which is this isn't included upon turnover. As I mentioned din naman earlier, hindi naman talaga included itong mga hanging cabinets natin upon turnover. So, this is modify na, no? So, kung may makukuha kayong architecture na pwedeng mag-design ng inyong pinaka-unit to maximize the space, it will be a very good thing para sa inyo. So, the dining area is located here na rin, no? And of course, the living area. As you can see, no, it's very spacious na talaga. And since this is a combined unit, magiging dalawa yung ating pinaka-balcony. So, actually, no, pwede mo pa nga din itong gawing isa pang room, no? Para maging 2-bedroom siya. Then, yung pinaka-dining area, pwede nyo naman siyang i-move doon together with the kitchen area. So, it will depends on you na talaga kung paano mo siya i-maximize. And nakagandahan naman, dahil combined unit na to, yung toilet and bath niya is isa na lang din. And at the same time, malaki pa din siya. So, ito siya, makita mo, pwede ka din maglagay ng laundry area mo here. And of course, at the same time, meron pa din siyang glass na nilagay para nga to avoid the spill of water. And ang kagandahan pa, meron itong access door going sa ating pinaka-closet. So, ayan, naglagay na sila ng built-in closet. Talagang, kung mapapansin nyo, naka-L-shape siya. Talagang na-maximize na yung pinaka-space. And then dito sa ating pinaka-bedroom, meron tayong office space talaga. So, if you're working from home or meron pa kayong mga kailangan tapusin dito sa bahay after ng office hours nyo, no? Pwede nyo yung gawin dito. Pwede ka din maglagay pa ng isang entertainment area dito para pwede mo ma-enjoy habang nakahiga ka sa iyong pinaka-bed. So, as you can see, na nagkaroon talaga ng sarili mong privacy dito sa ating combined unit na talagang na-maximize siya. At the same time, pwede mo rin siyang gawing 2-bedroom unit. So, here yung isa pa nating balcony. As I mentioned earlier na naging dalawa na yung pinaka-balcony. So, dito din, no, sa area na to, nagkaroon siya ng pinaka-hallway niya. So, as you can see, talagang napaka-spacious talaga niya. Aside from its unit itself, no, may enjoy mo rin yung amenity when you live here in Zadia. Aside from that, it's calming weather, very environmental friendly. So, talaga, it's a suburban living. Sabi nga, you are living in the city with a provincial vibes. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoy our video now with this Zadia condominium. And if you're an OFW that is working or living abroad or isa kang young professional that is looking for the perfect investment, especially here in Metro Santa Rosa, you can send me a message through Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. It's 639-153-000447. You can also contact me directly to my FB page account. It's Elite Properties PH. And of course, my personal FB account, it's Jen Sorneno. So for more details at gusto mong mag-start na ng investment, no, just send me a message. So let's start your investment here in Metro South and hope to see you soon. Bye guys!